All this mud sucking. I was hoping the yard would dry up a little bit today, but no chance. Starting to look like that JCB wasn't going to pull it out of there. Yeah, they hit me up this morning. We lost something, they said. Damn lid fell off the train car. The whole door on the whole end of the train car fell off. So I got my stuff all ready. Just waiting on them to get that tractor trailer unstuck and move a few things around. Tried to pull the base plates off the steel, but it didn't trash them, so got everything cleaned up. Little shim on the inside. Loader operator cheesing it up. So anyhow, another repair, and then I got to start on that damaged car. I told them they were looking about 75 hours to do the majority of it. Get started on that this weekend. Another weekend. I'm gonna try to take Sunday off and run that Q-Jet back to that guy down south, so we can get that on his car and get it going. Everybody have a good weekend. Be safe.